Have you ever wanted to do the chocolate tour at Hershey Chocolate World?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you. What's up there? What is it?
That's you.
Oh my goodness, that's so funny.
Hey Dawn.
What?
So I'm thinking about getting this for some cologne. Would you like that? The smell of chocolate?
That could be interesting.
I know you like chocolate. Maybe not that much though, huh?
Maybe not for cologne.
It does smell quite chocolatey in here though. A $40 Hershey bar. 5 pounds.
These are huge!
Are y'all excited about doing the Hershey Chocolate Tour? Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog and headed out.
Now we're exploring the East Coast and we're loving this crazy life. On this channel we share tips and tricks for RV living, do product reviews, and take you on really cool adventures like this one. So if you're new here, click subscribe and join the younger gang. And don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss out on any of the fun.
If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to get all caught up.
Today we're checking out the Hershey's Chocolate Tour at Hershey's Chocolate World. What you think, Kenzie? Well done. Yeah, he had Lancaster Caramel Company first. Ooh, it's like hopeful music. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. We're going to make a chocolate today. 270 beans to make a pound of chocolate. What?
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. We are on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance.
We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines and screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao.
I'm definitely having flashbacks from like Jurassic Park. It's like Jurassic Park, but chocolate.
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters which get extremely hot.
Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction.
Cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Pasteurize and condense the sweetener. As the mixture cooks, the milk supports the fresh we drive the chocolate powder to a coarse powder. Then the mixture powder will be pressed down earlier and with an adapter vanilla.
The washing process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color.
Don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
Thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Time to go share some goodness.
Well, that was fun.
Do we have 8 children?
1, 2, 3,
Yep.
4, 5, 6,
Still got 8.
8.
Yeah. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love it.
Take little nibbles at a time.
Oh,
How is it?
delicious.
How is it? How is it?
Go this way.
How is it, Haley? Is it so good? I mean, I loved it.
It's delicious.
You can't beat free Hershey's chocolate. Yeah, they're real. They're real because they're dying too. Some of them are dying.
That's cool.
Yes, it is. Did you guys have fun in the Hershey's chocolate tour?
Yeah!
Did you get some chocolate?
Yeah!
Did you go how many times?
2.
It's free, so who cares, right? It was fun.
Ansley liked pointing out all the things. She knew where they were coming at, so she said, okay, now this side. Okay, now this side. The second time around. It was fun for her.
That was our Hershey's chocolate tour at Hershey's Chocolate World. Now we want to know,
What are some of your favorite things to do at Hershey, Pennsylvania?
let us know in the comments below. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and let us know you liked it. Nice.
If you haven't already, click subscribe to join our awesome community.
And we hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over here. So, going to Hershey's Chocolate World just so we can do the Hershey's Chocolate Tour, which is free, by the way, and going through twice so we can share it with you. That's just another way we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.